We have said this before. Among the many products we regularly feature here, some of the best user review scores seem to turn up for device accessories. These accessories are designed carefully to enhance the functionality of a specific device or set of devices and prove such perfect complements to the main device that users can't keep away from them. We are covering a similar, well-designed and well-received product today, meant to be used with Nest Cam outdoor security cameras. Now, these cameras have already proven their worth with many users, providing much-needed safety in today's fraught times, and the silicone skins which we are featuring today help improve their performance.
Here we go!
These Wasserstein Silicone skins are weatherproof and UV light resistant, helping you protect your Nest Cam outdoor security cameras from the elements. This goes a long way in ensuring a long life for your cameras, which generally don't have any protection from rain or strong sunlight otherwise. These skins also come in a range of understated colors, including a camouflage shade, which lets your bright white security camera blend in seamlessly with the color tone of your home. This obviously conceals the camera and makes it less prone to vandalism or being noticed by an intruder, letting it safely do its work. A lot of care seems to have gone into ensuring that the quality of these skins is as good as the camera itself, with high-quality, durable silicone material used to make them. They have also been designed to snugly fit the cameras, with the dimensions exactly matching the Nest Cam devices. These skins are specially designed to be hard-wearing, to fully protect your camera, but also slim enough to not impair the magnetic mount. Wasserstein also backs up their claims of the product's quality with a 3-month warranty, under which they will replace the skins or issue a full refund in the unlikely case that you are unhappy with the product. What makes the use of these skins really convenient is the easy slip-on mechanism employed by them. The patient-pending design allows you to slip on the skin onto the camera within seconds for a hassle-free installation. Taking off the skin is equally simple, making replacement quick and easy too. The kit also comes with a simple-to-understand 4-step manual that guides you through the simple installation process with images. This brings us to the customer reviews we mentioned, with an average score of 4.7 on 5 stars from close to 500 users. These Wasserstein Silicone skins are among the best reviewed products we have featured here. There seems pretty much nothing to fault in these skins that seem absolutely perfect to work with Nest Cam's outdoor security cameras, with everything from the excellent packaging, product quality, to the price and color range earning glowing comments. That's all from us on the Wasserstein Nest Cam outdoor security camera silicone skins for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Were you looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews for other camera accessories here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.